Hi, today in this video I will show you how to lose buttocks and thigh fat in a week, through the eggplant or aubergines drink without exercise, to enjoy buttocks and thigh fat. But in the beginning, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please support us by subscribing to the channel and activate the bell. Now let's go. Why eggplant? Because it contains 7 surprising health benefits. 1. Eggplant provides a good amount of fiber, vitamins, and minerals in a few calories. 2. Eggplants are high in anthocyanins, a pigment with antioxidant properties that can protect against cellular damage. 3. Some animal studies have found that eggplants may improve heart function and reduce LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels. 4. Eggplants are high in fiber and polyphenols, both of which may help reduce blood sugar levels. 5. Eggplant is high in fiber but low in calories, both of which can help promote weight loss. It can also be used in place of higher calorie ingredients. 6. Eggplants contain glycosides, which studies indicate may aid in cancer treatment. 7. Eggplant is a versatile ingredient that can be prepared and enjoyed in a variety of different ways. Now I will show you how you can do the eggplant drink. Ingredients: 1 piece of eggplants, 1 piece of lemon, 1 liter of water. The method: 1. Wash the eggplant thoroughly with water and vinegar. 2. Then cut the eggplant into small squares. 3. Put the eggplant squares in a jug with water. 4. Squeeze the lemon. Leave this drink soaked for 24 hours in the refrigerator. 6. After that, filter the drink. Drink 1 cup before 30 minutes from each meal, 3 times a day because it will make you feel full. Thank you for watching. If you get benefits from this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like for the video.